Can you believe it's been 15 years since we last saw Gu Junpyo and Jim Jandi? Time really does fly. Boys Over Flowers, starring the Hallyu icon Lee Min-ho, became a cultural phenomenon and a fan favorite that still holds a special place in every K-drama lover's heart. This iconic drama, which helped shape the K-drama industry, continues to be cherished by fans worldwide. And guess what? We've got some incredible news. KBS has recently confirmed they're in talks for Boys Over Flowers Season 2. Yes, you heard that right. After 15 long years, the possibility of a sequel is becoming a reality. We can't wait to see how it all unfolds. To stay updated on all the juicy details, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. After years apart, director Jeon Ki-sang and writer Yoo Ji-ryun recently met, and during their conversation, a brilliant idea struck: why not bring Boys Over Flowers back for a season 2? The show, which became a global sensation, remains one of the most iconic K-dramas to this day. In fact, whenever K-drama is mentioned, Boys Over Flowers is the first title that comes to mind. If you're a true K-drama fan and haven't seen it yet, are you even a K-drama fan? Now, the production company and other key players are coming together to create yet another revolution in the K-drama world. Korean media outlets have reported that season 2 is slated to air by mid-2025 and will be available on Netflix and other major streaming platforms. The wait is almost over, and the excitement is real. The second season of the drama revolves around Jim Jandi, a poor student who gets a scholarship to Shinhwa High School. Despite facing bullying from the F4 group, she stands up against them. Gyan Junpyo, the leader, becomes a test subject. However, Gyan Junpyo and Yoo Ji-ho, the second lead, fall in love with her. The epic love triangle makes fans' hearts skip a beat. Who, in the end, Yoo Junpyo was successful in terms of claiming Jandi in every single way possible. The drama became a global success to the point that it has several remakes in Thai, Chinese, Japanese, and Taiwanese. It also has a Korean sequel, Boys Over Flowers F4 After Story, and a compilation show, F4 Talk Special Show. For season 2, expect the unexpected. The second season will be filled with more twists and turns. We will see a time jump and how all the F4 members are finally married to their significant others. Now the twisting part will be for Gyu Junpyo and Jim Jandi. After finally getting married, we will get to see their cute baby. The interesting part will be Jandi will be working with Yoo Ji-ho on a project event. While everyone got married in the group, Ji-ho never really moved on. He still has a spot soft for Jandi. After all, feelings never fade away that easily, do they? So one scene has been leaked of season 2, which is, there will be a moment in the drama where Jim Jandi, while holding her daughter, she'd confront Ji-ho as she realizes that he still loves her despite all the odds. He will hold her hand and Gyu Junpyo will make an entry at that point, creating a tense atmosphere. So there will be intense moments, family politics, friendship fallouts, and even misunderstandings that will make you frustrated. Furthermore, all the F4 members will have their separate storylines, and it will be amazing to see because director Jeon Ki-sang promised to deliver something exceptional once again, which will keep everyone hooked to the core, as the plotline will be extremely refreshing. So get ready for the exciting journey as season 2 of Boys Over Flowers has it all. Industry insiders and big Korean media outlets are buzzing with the fantastic details that Boys Over Flowers Season 2 cinematography will be jaw-dropping because in 2009 the exploration and the budget were limited and no one really thought that the drama would be such a hit project. Season 2 will be filmed in Quebec and Germany. So far, other sources and reports have revealed some of the sneak peeks of the drama. It has already started and we are here to shock you that the cast selection is just a chef's kiss. There will be recurring cast members because, without Hae-sun and Min-ho, the main aspect of the drama will be completely lost. Now there will be a second female lead who will finally help Yoo Ji-ho to move on completely, and it is none other than Kim Go-yoon. The chemistry will be intense and seeing familiar faces will bring warmth to everyone's heart once again. Other actors are speculated to be there taking the guest or supporting roles may be given to Rowoon, Byeon Woo Seol, Hwang In-yup, and Astro's Cha Yoon-woo. You can imagine how amazing this will make the second season, and the popularity may even skyrocket to the point that it may dethrone popular hit series with an amazing viewership rating. IU, Crush, Gummy, CBX, and Davichi will cover most of the OSTs of the second season, which will enrich the drama performance even more. So don't be surprised if Queen of Tears or Squid Game dethrone. So prepare for the best, as season 2 of Boys Over Flowers will once again make us nostalgic but with everything better. Furthermore, it has been reported that there will be a special talk show that will bring back all the previous actors, where they will share their stories, and the perfect heartfelt moments will be captured once again. At present, the actors are busy with their tight schedules but are still making time for the second season. Lee Min-ho recently did the drama Pachinko S2 and is working on the 2025 projects Ask the Stars and Omniscient Reader. As for Go Hye-sun, she is focused on her master's degree, and Kim Go-yoon is preparing for Two Women and the Price of Confession, while the rest of the cast members are still being actively listed. So what are your thoughts about Boys Over Flowers Season 2? Share your theories in the comments section. Are you excited about the second season like we are? Let us know. Bye. See ya.